As you guys can hear, the Z is not running good. I'm actually surprised that it started, but I'm glad that it did start because I needed it facing the other way. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BZ and back with yet another video. As you guys know from my last video, I blew up my VQ35. At least the old girl gave me, she gave me one more start before we get started on this. I've already ordered my replacement motor. Yeah, we're about to be having a JDM motor coming here soon. But yeah guys, so my main goal right now is just to back the Z up into the garage. That way I have more space to have room for activities. We'll be going to go pick up the motor this weekend. Today is actually Wednesday, and Saturday we'll be going to go pick it up. I'm gonna hit up a couple of my bros. They're gonna go with me. One has a truck and engine lift. Down here I have my engine stand that I ordered from Amazon. I'm gonna do that later because family and I are hungry, so we're going to eat. I'll pick this back up later on. Good morning everybody. Today is motor day. I am tired. I got the motor stand together, so that's all good to go. I just need to probably go over it once more and make sure everything's tight. Z, you get to see your new motor today. I'm about to get ready to head over to Abram's house and we're gonna meet Javon there. Abram's also gonna be getting tires put on his Evo today, so we'll see that. It shouldn't be too long to get there to the place. I think they're only about like an hour or so away. There's always shenanigans involved, so about to get in the car and head over there. Guys, so we have made it out to JDM Midwest. We're here a little early, so we're just waiting on them to get here. That way we can get this VQ loaded up. It's a nice Type R. K-Truck. K-swap it.
It ain't got a seat back on the passenger side.
All right. Ew, man, that's where the Ninja Turtles spawn from.
You know why they call him Master Splinter?
Because you can always gripping that wood grain, my ninja. What the hell? What are you doing in this?
What am I doing in this? Man, I got tired of being in the two-wheel drive club. I saw the light.
The ops.
Oh shoot! Oh man, you fresh and crispy and stuff.
Is this what it took for you to drive nice and get a nice car?
Nah,
man, we would have shot a hole in your transmission years ago.
That's not the normal Subi driver outfit. Where's the vape at, bro?
And they gripping the steering wheel, man.
Ooh, y'all fat motherfuckers.
Hey,
nah, you just ain't got
normal adults.
See, we told you that.
Suspension.
We told you that this suspension was different.
Yeah, it's not factory suspension. It's got at least springs on it.
That's probably why that tire's like that, because it keeps on bottoming out on it.
I see it right now. It's a chunk just came off. A little self-clearance. Yeah.
All right, yeah, we about to die.
Just clear that real quick.
You see that?
There you go.
That's what I heard when I took it home. I bought it.
Wasn't expecting to be in a WRX today, but hey.
Right?
The ops.
And it was this Middle Eastern dealership. Dude was super cool. I had a nice ass driver on the block. I'm like, I'll think about it. So Wednesday, I was thinking about it all day. I'm like, should I get this? It's like, I was looking for a 50th anniversary. Which I don't know, Jay knows about.
That ain't bad.
But the 50th anniversary, they came out in 20. Yeah.
Super. Yeah, I was not about to be jumping over there.
I thought about it. And then I saw how motif that is, and I was like, nah, we're not doing that. Mark, don't fall on that.
Mark, don't do it. You too clean right now, bro.
If you too old for that. I heard your knees just.
So wait, what's the motor for?
The Z?
Wait, I'm confused. Confusion. Where did you sell the Z to?
I sold it to a shop in Illinois.
A shop?
Yep.
Was it the Jay-Z swap they got them in?
Wasn't a Jay-Z.
I mean the RV.
Yeah. There's me VQ.
That's the only one they have?
Yeah, they only had one.
That's interesting.
He's looking over, make sure it's the right gen or anything.
I can tell right here it's the right one.
So I know some cars like the manuals and the automatic are.
Oh shit.
You don't got a chain to pick it up or anything?
I work smarter than harder.
Just not trying. Damage too much.
Oh yeah, so. Can we look at it real quick?
Yeah.
We watched it last night, so they still have water in the empty gun.
Hey, cause I called him, he ain't picking up.
Yeah, it's pretty clean in there. All right. I'm happy. All right.
That good right there?
So Mr. Ryan, what do we have here, sir?
That's my replacement VQ.
You know, there's rumors out there, and maybe Ryan, you can dispel some of these rumors, that with all the accolades that the VQ has gotten, it's arguably one of the best Nissan motors to ever come out.
This nigga got real philosophical.
I'm just saying, like, I've never seen JD
Hey,
Power
turn
rank
camera
the
over here.
R.
We have successfully,
Hold on, let's
we have successfully made a Toyota reliable.
Mind you, there's a motor in the back of it, and the Toyota's the workhorse once again.
Right.
But
Seems have carried most of our platforms.
But there is rumors that the V6 was way better than the inline 6. I'm hearing that.
Well, you can't. No, I'm not even going to say that because.
And that was carrying a VQ, man. You just need the rest of a 350 in the back of the bed.
No, I'm good.
Hey, I'll put it like this: if this motor was more reliable than the inline motor, I wouldn't be up here right now picking up another V6.
It could be a driver mod that caused the problems too, though.
Oh, man.
First of all, my
Maybe
name.
it's the tuner.
Or it could be the tuner. I'm just saying, like, there's a lot of factors in this.
First of all, my name's not Mark Lytle, so it's definitely not driver mod.
Okay, first of all,
Mark said line the 350 up with the
Mark
WRX
Mark
right
don't
now.
blow up motors. Mark just don't finish projects. There's a difference.
Mark doesn't know how to change transmission fluid in his car and then blow up the damn the transmission. But no,
This man's transmission's like, let me die.
That's my Achilles heels. It's not the motors, the transmission. So technically, I still haven't blown up any motors.
that's because.
Go knock on some fucking wood right now. Yeah.
Oh, you say you ain't blow up no motor and you bought a fucking WRX?
There's some pallets right there. Go knock on them up. Don't you ever challenge the universe like that. That's how I ended up with a 2G and an Edo in 6 months.
She ain't going nowhere.
Yep.
Put a hand on.
Matter of fact, we could probably just honestly just set this on the ground since I gotta get bolts and shit to put it on the stand.
Never sit on the ground there anyway, so.
Yeah. Oh, that didn't take long. 6 minutes.
Bro, we're efficient, nigga.
Right.
We've been doing this shit.
For too
Bro,
long.
This is a Tuesday for us.
Right.
It's even a Saturday right now.
All right, guys. Well, we got the VQ here. It's not in its full home yet. I would have put it up on the stand, but I forgot I need bolts for it. So,
And the engine lift chain.
yeah, and an engine lift chain. And I was not fully prepared for this. Sleep deprivation. That's why I'm going to blame this on.
Man.
So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and let the broskies go. Oh, let me go ahead. Shout out to Abe. Thanks. Shout out to Jay. You know, without them, I wouldn't be able to get this motor today. So, yeah, I'm going to pause this for now. Okay, I stopped being lazy. I went out and got some bolts that I can use to put the motor up on the stand. I believe before I put the motor up on the stand, I gotta take off this flex plate. This was obviously an automatic VQ, so I gotta take this flex plate off. That way I can put the manual stuff on it. Since the motor's on the stand now, we get to get ready to get into the fun point of go over the motor a little bit, take some of the stuff off my old VQ, put it on here, you know, the valve covers. I'll probably end up putting a new water pump in, you know, just some normal maintenance type things that I'm gonna do to the motor while it's out of the car and a lot easier to get to. I'm excited to get ready to start getting the new VQ prepped and ready. I will definitely make sure that I bring you guys along for the whole process. Make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel. That way you can follow this build as it progresses. Y'all stay tuned. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.